Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In today's video, I'll do the 90 FPS gameplay test in the POCO F3 GT device after the recent software update. As you can see friends, so just a couple of days back, I did reset the software update in the POCO F3 GT, which is 12.5.5 update, and right now I'll be using the 90 FPS config file to play the Battlegrounds mobile game in this phone. Let's see, using the 90 FPS, will there be any kind of lag or delay? That is what I'm going to exactly do the drop test. So that is what my main focus, friends. So I'll try to do the drop test during this process demonstration. Let's see. So same kind of video I did upload on another phone, which is the OnePlus Nord 2, and I did get a lot of response on this particular phone, which is, can you please do the 90 FPS drop test using the FPS meter? So that is what my main focus will be there. Let me try to change the graphics to 90 FPS first. Let me try to use a config file at this moment. So by default, you don't get 90 FPS, friends. As you can see friends, right now you should be able to set 90 FPS after using the config file exactly. And let me try to click OK. And yes, right now I did select the 90 FPS in both, as you can see friends, exactly. And you should be seeing the FPS count increased automatically to 91 FPS. Now let's move to the map. Let's do the bootcamp drop test, which is requested by most of our subscribers as well. So that is the reason I thought of selecting this particular map at this moment. Let's see how much FPS will be dropped after this recent software update. In case if you want me to do any other particular test, let me know in the comment section below. So definitely I'll try to do this kind of videos as soon as possible for you all. But this is a video which is a very small video only, friends. So which I just want to focus only on the FPS drop test only. Right now you should be able to see 90 FPS exactly, as you can see friends, 90 FPS. So 74, it dropped up to 74 and 74 as well, 79. So one more thing, this config file may not be that stable, so when we get the official update, so maybe that might be slightly stable in terms of getting the 90 FPS, but at this moment using the config file, it's kind of 50-50 chances that it may be similar performance when we get the official as well. So that's the one thing you should definitely understand, friends, when I'm trying to do this kind of testing. Just for the demonstration purpose, I just want to try in this POCO F3 GT whether this phone will be able to give a better FPS count or not. So right now I did select the exact boot camp, and yes, let's see so what's going to be the result. I'll try to do a couple of drop tests. Right now you can see that the map there, the boot camp map. So right now the FPS dropped to 77 FPS count, as you can see exactly. Let me try to keep the FPS count somewhere on the top. So it dropped to 77, 92, 85, 81 as well. 85, 85, as you can see, 85, 90, 86 we are getting. 87, 87, 89, 82, 73. As you can see, the lowest we did see around 73. As you can see friends, exactly 73 FPS we did see during this processor demonstration, not bad. So 73 is the lowest value which we did see during this process of testing, friends, in this phone. Not bad, and it was able to maintain exactly around close to 87 as well, not bad. '89. Let me try to do the another drop test. Let's go back. And this is my second time doing the FPS drop test with the 90 FPS, and the temperature is about 36 degrees and the back set 35 degrees, not bad even in the temperatures. And let me try to do the drop test for the second time. So you can see the FPS coming up to 90, 86 as well, 88. So previously it was 73. So if you remember, the 73 FPS did drop the phone, 73 FPS, and right now let's see what happens this time. 69. As you can see friends, clearly it dropped up to 69 as well during this processor demonstration. It dropped. As you can see friends, 69 it dropped previously, not bad. So let me try to do again. As you can see, friends, this is my third time doing the drop test in the boot camp exactly. Let's check this time how much the FPS will be dropped at this moment, and let's check the temperatures is of 36.8 degrees, 37.2 degrees. So overall the temperature increased to 37 degrees. So during this process demonstration you can clearly see 37 degrees, not bad. And here comes the boot camp. Let's see. And right now the FPS 82, we are seeing 81, 79. So we did see about 79 this time, not bad. Not bad, as you can see. Even this time it was really better results when compared with the previous one. Definitely I would say. It was able to maintain stable FPS as well, around 87, 86 as you can see. Now just now again it dropped 36, that's it, not bad. So that's it, friends. This is a quick review on the POCO F3 GT after the 90 FPS and after the recent software update. And thank you for watching. See you in the next video, friends. I'll stay tuned for more updates. In case if you have any other queries, let me know in the comment section below. So meanwhile, signing off. Bye.